Hey everybody, my name is Miss Becky and I am a teacher here on the Outschool platform. I get a lot of questions about how to access Nearpod, and so I wanted to make this quick video to show you the 3 ways that you can get into Nearpod for your Outschool lesson. The first way is to use the link provided in the chat. So when you log into your Outschool classroom and you enter the actual class via Zoom, the teacher will give you a link in the Zoom chat. If your child clicks on the link, it will open up the actual lesson. You might see what looks like a login screen, but you don't actually have to have a login. Your student just types their first name into that top box and then they can join the lesson. When you do it this way, it makes it difficult for the student to see the teacher as well as the lesson. And so as long as you work with your learner about having 2 windows open on a bigger screen, like a laptop or a computer, for example, this works really well because they may have access to a keyboard. The second way is to download the Nearpod app, which is free, onto a device. So I'll show you here how I downloaded the Nearpod app onto my iPhone, but it's available both for Android and Apple products. So you would just go to the app where you purchase apps, you would type in Nearpod, and then download. It does ask on mine to pay, but it's free. There's no cost. And once it's installed, it opens like this. When you're in class, your teacher will give you the actual code. You will get a new code each and every week. This is a lot of people's preferred method because it's a little bit easier for students, especially young students, to be able to manage. They don't have to have 2 separate screens open. They have 1 device for the lesson and 1 device for the teacher on the Zoom call. The third way is to start with 2 browsers open before your Outschool class even starts. So you may have one open, just sitting there ready to go, maybe on google.com, and the other one you would have logged into your Outschool classroom. Once your teacher provides the code, your student could go to nearpod.com and type in the code. Again, the login is the same for all of them. They just need to put their first name in and join the class. The teacher controls the slides on his or her end, and so your student really just gets to enjoy, engage, and have fun in class. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help. Thanks!